Hi students, good morning to all. In this class we will discuss to differentiation rule. Okay, first of all we know that what is mean by the word differentiation. Okay, here f of x comma y or f of x be a real valued function. Okay, real valued function of real value. Okay, here the function f from f such that I is the open interval. Okay, open interval from capital R means real numbers. Okay, real numbers. The function f is said to be differentiation when limit del x approaches 0, f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. This is called the differentiation. Okay, or dy by dx. It means here x is an independent variable, y is a dependent variable, y is the equation of present of variable is x, differentiation with respect to 1 times with respect to x at 1 times. Okay, it is denoted by f dash of x. Here y equal to f of x be a real valued function. It is denoted by in various method, various type, that is y dash. It means first time differentiation with respect to x. Okay, or f dash of x. It means f of x meaning what is mean by f of x? Function of x. It means the variable x, present of variable is x in the function f. F dash means one time differentiation with respect to x, or dy by dx, or y power 1 dot, or y1. This is called the various type of differentiation. Okay, first derivative. Okay, first derivative. Theorem 10.6, let f of x be a differentiable function and let y equal to k into f of x when k not equal to 0. Here k is the scalar, that is some constant not equal to 0. Then d by dx, that is derivative of constant into f of x, which is equal to constant into d by dx of f of x. Okay, proof. Here the given function is y equal to k into f of x. Okay, k into f of x. Here we take h of x. Okay, here we take it is h of x. What is mean by the word differentiation? Differentiation means here limit del x approaches to 0, f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x, which is equal to f dash of x. This is called the differentiation. Okay, this is called the differentiation. First to find f of x plus del x. Okay, here this is the h of x. Okay, this is h of x. Okay, here h of x, which is equal to y into f of x. Okay, y into f of x. Next to find, this is the h of x. Okay, next to find h of x plus del x. H of x plus del x, which is equal to here k into f of x. Okay, k into f of x. Here k into f of x plus del x. Okay, f of x plus del x. Okay, this value using this structure, that is limit del x approaches to 0, h of x plus del x minus h of x divided by del x, which is equal to limit del x approaches to 0, h of x plus del x is k into f of x plus del x. Okay, k into f of x plus del x. Okay, minus h of x is k into f of x. Okay, k into f of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. Here take outside the constant k k. Okay, take outside the constant k. That is limit del x approaches to 0. Take outside the constant k. That is f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. This is the constant. Okay, this is the constant. Take outside. That is k into limit del x approaches to 0. The function f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. Okay, this is called the differentiation. That is f dash of x. Okay, that is f dash of x, which is equal to k into f dash of x. Okay, f dash of x, which can be written as here f dash of x, which is equal to d by dx of f of x. Okay, d by dx of f of x. So k into d by dx of f of x. Okay, f of x. Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Therefore d by dx k into f of x, which is equal to k into d by dx of f of x. Okay, hence proved. Theorem 10.2, the derivatives of the sum of two or more differentiable functions is equal to the sum of their derivatives. Okay, that is, if u and v are two differentiable functions, then d by dx u plus v, which is equal to d by dx u plus d by dx v. Okay, proof here given u and v are two differentiable functions. Okay, two differentiable functions. Two differentiable functions. It means u dash of x, which is equal to limit del x approaches to 0. Okay, that is u means, the function u means u of x plus del x minus u of x divided by del x. This is called the u dash of x. V also the differentiable function, that is v dash of x, which is equal to limit del x approaches to 0 v of x plus del x minus v of x divided by del x. This is called the v dash of x. Okay, here consider the function f of x. Okay, f of x equal to sum of two or more differentiable functions. Sum means addition. Okay, that is u of x plus v of x. This is the f of x. Okay, next to find f of x plus del x. F of x plus del x, which is equal to u of f of x means u of x. X plus del x means u of x plus del x plus v of x plus del x. Okay, here limit del x approaches to 0, f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x, which is equal to limit del x approaches to 0. F of x plus del x is u of x plus del x plus v of x plus del x. Okay, minus f of x is u of x plus v of x divided by del x. Okay, product minus 1 into each term, that is limit del x approaches to 0 u of x plus del x plus v of x plus del x minus u of x minus v of x divided by del x. Okay, split the corresponding term. That is limit del x approaches to 0, u of x plus del x minus u of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. This is one function. Okay, this is one function. Okay, plus limit del x approaches to 0. In the another one function is here limit del x approaches to 0, v of x plus del x minus v of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. This is known as u dash of x plus this is known as differentiation of the function v of x, that is v dash of x. Okay, now this is called the u dash of x plus this is called the v dash of x, which is equal to u dash of x plus v dash of x. Okay, hence proved, that is which can be written as d by dx of u of x. Okay, u or u of x all are equal. Okay, plus d by dx of v of x. Okay, v of x. Hence proved, that is d by dx of u of x plus v of x, which is equal to d by dx of u of x plus d by dx of v of x. Okay, v of x. Hence proved. Okay. Next, theorem 10.3. Let u and v be two differentiable functions, then d by dx uv, which is equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, what is the difference between theorem 10.2 and theorem 10.3? Here u of x and v of x are two differentiable functions, that is f of x which is equal to u of x plus v of x. Okay, plus v of x plus or minus. Okay, both are equal. Okay, both are same. Here f dash of x, it means differentiation of the given function, which is equal to plus or minus means, okay, plus or minus means u dash of x plus or minus v dash of x. Okay, v dash of x. But here in the theorem 10.3, this is 10.2. Okay, 10.2. Now 10.3. Okay, f of x, which is equal to u of x v of x. Then the relation between u of x and v of x is product, that is multiplication. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, multiplication, but here plus or minus means u dash of x plus or minus v dash of x. But multiplication means f dash of x, which is equal to u into v dash. Okay, u of x into v dash of x plus v of x into u dash of x. Okay, u dash of x. This is the difference between theorem 10.2 and 10.3. Okay, this is the difference between theorem 10.2 and 10.3. Okay, here to prove that u and v are differentiable functions, then d by dx of uv, which is equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, proof. Here u of x and v of x are two differentiable functions. Okay, u of x and v of x are two differentiable functions. Okay, two differentiable function. Okay, that is u dash of x, which is equal to limit del x approaches to 0. Okay, approaches to 0, u of x plus del x minus u of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. V dash of x, which is equal to limit del x approaches to 0, v of x plus del x minus v of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. Consider the function f of x which is equal to u of x into v of x. Okay, into v of x. Here v of x is the continuous function. V of x is a continuous function. Okay, continuous function. Okay, here f of x equal to u of x into v of x. Next, to find f of x plus del x. Okay, f of x plus del x means f of x means u of x, v of x. F of x plus del x means u of x plus del x into v of x plus del x. Okay, x plus del x. Next, to find f of x plus del x minus f of x, which is equal to f of x plus del x is u of x plus del x into v of x plus del x. Okay, minus f of x is u of x into v of x. Okay, u of x into v of x, which can be written in the structure, that is v of x plus del x into u of x plus del x minus u of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x minus u of x into v of x plus del x minus v of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. Listen, f of x plus del x minus f of x, that is u of x plus del x into v of x plus del x minus u of x into v of x, which can be written in the structure. Okay, now apply to the limit. Apply limit del x approaches to 0. Okay, del x approaches to 0. The function f of x plus del x minus f of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x, which is equal to apply to the limit. Minus means having two terms. Okay, therefore limit del x approaches to 0, v of x plus del x into u of x plus del x minus u of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x minus limit del x approaches to 0, u of x into v of x plus del x minus v of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. Listen, here v of x plus del x is a continuous function. Okay, apply to the limit, which is equal to v of x. Okay, which is equal to v of x. That is continuous function. Limit del x approaches to 0, v of x plus del x into limit del x approaches to 0. The remaining function u of x plus del x minus u of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. This is the first term. In the second term, minus limit del x approaches to 0, u of x into limit del x approaches to 0, v of x plus del x minus v of x divided by del x. Okay, divided by del x. Here this is the continuous function. Okay, continuous function. Replace del x equal to 0, that is v of x. Okay, that is v of x. Replace del x equal to 0. 0 plus v of x is v of x. This is called the differentiation function of u, that is u dash of x. Okay, that is u dash of x product plus, okay, here take outside minus means here it's, this is plus, okay, sorry, this is plus 1 plus term, this is plus term, okay, this is plus term, okay. Here v of x into u dash of x plus here del x approaches 0, the function is u of x, that means u of x into, this is called the v dash of x, okay, v dash of x, which can be written as v of x into d by dx of u of x, okay, u of x plus u of x into, which can be written as d by dx of v of x, okay, d by dx of v of x, okay, v of x. On the left hand side, d by dx of f of x. F of x is u of x into v of x, which is equal to v of x into d by dx of u of x, okay, d by dx of u of x plus u of x into d by dx of v of x, okay, v of x, okay, hence proved. Theorem 10.4, quotient rule, okay, quotient rule. Quotient means rational expression, okay, rational expression, that is p of x divided by q of x. Similarly to the same process, u of x divided by v of x, okay, u of x divided by v of x. U of x and v of x are two differentiable functions with v of x not equal to 0, that is denominator not equal to 0, provided then d by dx of u of x divided by v of x, which is equal to v of x into d by dx of u of x minus u of x into d by dx of v of x divided by v of x the whole square, okay. Similarly to the same process, similar to theorem 10.2, 10.3, 10.6 also, okay. It means, which can be written as d by dx of, that is u by v, okay, u by v, which is equal to here v u dash, okay, v u dash minus now u v dash, okay, u v dash divided by v square, okay, divided by v square. This is called the quotient rule, okay, this is called the quotient rule. Similarly to prove theorem 10.2 and 10.3, theorem 10.4 also, okay. Theorem 10.5, chain rule, okay, chain rule or function of function rule or composite function rule, all are same meaning, okay. Here f of x be a differentiable function of u, not in x. F of here y equal to, sorry, f of u be a differentiable function of u, okay, and let u equal to g of x, that is function of x, okay, function of x, okay. Here y equal to f of u is g of x, okay, u is g of x, which is equal to, this is read as g composite f, okay, g composite f of x, okay, this is read as g composite of f of x, okay. Then d by dx of y, that is f of g of x, which is equal to here f dash of x, okay, f dash of g of x, once again differentiation to g dash of x, then the resultant is product to f dash of g of x and g dash of x. This is the chain rule, okay, this is called the chain rule, okay. Next 10.4.1, derivatives of some basic elementary functions. In the first column, serial number, function, derivatives, differential. Okay, here in the first one, y equal to constant term. Okay, that is constant function. Okay, constant function means derivatives, that is d by dx of k. Okay, of k, which is equal to 0. Okay, which is equal to 0. Here for example f of x equal to 3. Okay, f of x equal to 3. This is the constant. Okay, f of x means which is equal to 3. This is constant. Differentiation d by dx of 3 equal to 0. Okay, of 3 equal to 0. Okay, in the differential means dx goes to the right hand side, that is 0 into anything is 0. Okay, here next to find the second one, y equal to x power n. Okay, this is important one, x power n. d by dx of x power n, which is equal to, the power goes to in front, that is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, n into x power n minus 1. Differential is f goes to right hand side, that is f dy by dx, dy equal to n into x power n minus 1 into dx. Okay, this is the derivative. Okay, this is derivatives, this is differential. For example here y equal to x power 3. Okay, here n equal to 3. Okay, n equal to 3. d by dx of x power 3. Okay, x power 3 means n into x power n minus 1. n is 3 into x is x power n minus 1. That is 3 into x power 3 minus 1 is 2. This is the derivatives of the given function. Okay, and the differential is dy equal to 3x square into dx. Okay, into dx. We take another one example. Example 2 y equal to x power 7. Okay, x power 7. Okay, here d by dx x power 7. Here n equal to 7. n into x power n minus 1. That is 7 into x power 7 minus 1 is 6. Therefore dy equal differentiable 7x power 6 into dx. Okay, into dx. Next, serial number 3, function y equal to 1 divided by x power n. Okay, 1 divided by x power n. d by dx of 1 divided by x power n. Okay, it means quotient function. Okay, quotient function, which is equal to, here the numerator have 1. Okay, that is 1 into, in the denominator x power is n, that is minus n divided by x power n plus 1. Okay, x power n plus 1. Therefore the differentiable is dy, which is equal to minus n divided by x power n plus 1 into dx. Okay, into dx. For example 1, y equal to 1 divided by x power 3. Okay, 1 divided by x power 3. The derivatives d divided by dx 1 divided by x power 3. Here n equal to 3. Okay, the numerator have 1 into minus n minus 3 divided by x power 3 n plus 1, which is equal to minus 3 divided by x power 4. Okay, minus 3 divided by x power 4. And the differential is dy equal to minus 3 divided by x power 4 into dx. Okay, another one example 2, y equal to 3 divided by x power 9. Okay, 3 divided by x power 9. d by dx d by dx of 3 divided by x power 9, which is equal to 3 into n is 9. Okay, the formula is minus n, that is minus 9 divided by x power 9 plus 1, that is 3 into minus 9 is minus 27 divided by x power 10. Okay, x power 10. Then the differentiable is dy equal to minus 27 divided by x power 10 into dx. Okay, into dx. In another one example, listen, example number 3. Okay, y equal to minus 2 divided by x power 5. Okay, minus 2 divided by x power 5. d by dx of minus 2 divided by x power 5. Okay, which is equal to minus 2. This is the numerator into minus n. Formula is minus n divided by x power 5 plus 1. Okay, 5 plus 1. That is minus of minus plus 2 into 5, 10 divided by x power 6. Okay, then the differentiable dy equal to 10 divided by x power 6 into dx. This is the differentiable. Okay, this is the differentiable. Okay, dear students, in the same problem we can find the derivatives and differentiable in another one structure. Okay, that is, this is the given problem. Okay, given problem, this is another one method. Given problem y equal to minus 2 divided by x power 5. Okay, which can be written as y equal to minus 2 into x power minus 5. Okay, x power minus 5. This is the structure x power n. Okay, this is the structure x power n. This is the constant term. Okay, this is constant term. Here d by dx of minus 2 into x power minus 5, which is equal to, in the formula is d by dx of x power n, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Okay, using this formula, that is minus 2 into, this is the constant, minus 2 into n into, this is the n. Okay, n into x power n minus 1, n minus 1. Okay, that is minus of minus plus 2 into 5, 10 into x power minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6, which can be written as 10 divided by x power 6. Here 10 divided by x power 6, 10 divided by x power 6. Both are same. Okay, both are same. Then the differentiable is dy, which is equal to 10 divided by x power 6 into dx. Okay, here we conclude one result, 1 by x power n or x power n. Okay, we can change in another one structure. Okay, we can change in another one structure. This is the given problem. In the quotient function, we can rewrite to x power n formula. Suppose x power n can be rewrite to quotient formula. Okay, both are same value. Okay, both are same value. Okay, next serial number 4, y equal to some constant into f of x. Okay, some constant into f of x. Here k not equal to g. Okay, this is the given function. In the derivatives, d by dx of k into f of x. Okay, k into f of x. Only constant means, the function have only constant means, then the resultant is 0. Okay, that is d by dx of k. Okay, only constant means, then the derivative is 0. Okay, derivative is 0. But here k into f of x. Okay, k into f of x. It means k into f of x. It means which is equal to product constant k into d by dx of f of x is f dash of x. Okay, d by dx the f of x is f dash of x. Okay, f dash of x. Here the differentiable is dy, which is equal to constant k into f dash of x. Okay, f dash of x into dx. Okay, f dash of x into dx. Okay, next for example y equal to 3 into f of x is 3 into x power 9. Okay, this is one function. Here 3 is the constant. Okay, this is k, this is the f of x. Okay, this is f of x. Here d by dx of 3 into x power 9. Okay, 3 into x power 9. Here we conclude two results. D by dx of 3, this is equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to 0 because this is the constant, only the function having constant, therefore the derivatives is 0. But here d by dx 3 into x power 9. Here this is the function, this is the constant k, this is f of x, which is equal to 3 into x power n. Okay, x power n, that is 3 into d by dx of x power 9. Okay, x power n means n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, 3 means 3 into 9 into x power 9 minus 1. Okay, here 3 into 9, which is equal to 27 into x power 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, therefore then the differentiable is dy, which is equal to 27 x power 8 into dx. Okay, into dx. This is the differentiable. Okay, next serial number 5. Here y equal to e power x. Okay, e power x. Here d by dx of e power x. Okay, e power x, which is equal to e power x. E power x power coefficient 1 is e power x into 1. Okay, in the differentiable dy equal to e power x into dx. Okay, into dx. Suppose the function y equal to e power 2x means d by dx of e power 2x, which is equal to here e power 2x. The coefficient 2 means product to 2. Okay, product to 2, that is 2 into e power 2x. Okay, 2 into e power 2x, that is dy, which is equal to 2 into e power 2x into dx. Okay, into dx. Now discuss another one example. Y equal to e power minus 5x. Okay, minus 5x. Then the derivatives d by dx of e power minus 5x. Okay, which is equal to, assume that these all are in x, that is e power minus 5x. Okay, into the coefficient of x is minus 5. Therefore product of minus 5, which is equal to minus 5 into e power minus 5x. Therefore the differentiable is dy, which is equal to minus 5 into e power minus 5x. Okay, e power minus 5x. Okay, next serial number 6. Next serial number 6. The function y equal to log of x. Okay, log of x. Then the derivative d by dx, the function log of x. Differentiation of x, which is equal to log x is 1 by x. Okay, log x is 1 by x. Okay, in the differentiable dy equal to 1 by x into dx. Okay, 1 by x into dx. Example y equal to log of 3x. Log of 3x, which is equal to d by dx of log of 3x, which is equal to here 1 by x, it means 1 divided by 3x. Okay, 1 divided by 3x. Here, this is the chain rule, that is composite function rule, that is function of function rule. Once again differentiation to 3x, that is 3 into x power is 1. Okay, x power is 1. That is 3 into 1 into x power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. X power 0 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 3x, which is equal to 1 by x. Okay, which is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, dy which is equal to 1 by x into dx. Okay, 1 by x into dx. Okay, 1 by x into dx. Next, serial number 7. Serial number 7, y equal to a power x. Okay, a power x. That is d by dx of a power x, which is equal to, then the resultant is a power x. Okay, a power x into log of this is the position, that is log of a. Okay, that is log of a. Therefore, the differentiable is dy, which is equal to a power x into log of a into dx. Okay, into dx. For example, here example, y equal to 3 power x. Assume a equal to 3. Okay, assume a equal to 3. Therefore, d by dx of 3 power x, which is equal to, this is a power x means a power x. So, replace a equal to 3, that is 3 power x into log of a. A means 3. Okay, log of a means 3. Therefore, dy equal to 3 power x into log of 3 into dx. Okay, into dx. Next, serial number 8. Next, serial number 8. Serial number 8, y equal to u of x. Okay, u of x plus v of x. Okay, plus v of x. Plus or minus, both are equal. Here, d by dx of u of x plus or minus v of x. Okay, plus or minus v of x, which is equal to u dash of x plus or minus v dash of x. Okay, then the differentiable is dy, which is equal to u dash of x plus or minus v dash of x into dx. Okay, into dx. In the function, suppose having more than two functions, more than differentiable functions means using this method. Okay, that is finite number of differentiable functions. Using this method, we get the result. Okay, next, product rule, that is y equal to u of x into v of x. This is called the product rule, that is d by dx u of x into v of x. Okay, it means here u of x into v dash of x. Okay, plus now hide v of x into differentiate to the function u, that is u dash of x. Okay, u dash of x. Okay, then the differentiable dy, which is equal to u of x into v dash of x plus v of x into u dash of x into dx. Okay, into dx. Okay, suppose we take more than function, that is y equal to u of x into v of x into w of x. Now we take three functions, product of three functions, u of x, v of x, w of x, all are differentiable function means here d by dx of u of x into v of x into w of x, which is equal to, now hide two functions. Okay, hide two functions, u of x, v of x, u of x, v of x. Okay, into v of x. Differentiate to w of x, that is w dash of x. plus now hide last two functions, differentiate to u dash of x, that is u of x here, w of x into differentiate to v dash of x. Okay, now plus last two functions are hide, now differentiate to u of x, that is v of x into w of x into u dash of x. Okay, into u dash of x. Therefore the differentiable dy which is equal to here u into v into w dash plus u into v dash into w plus u dash into v into w into dx. Okay, into dx. This is the differentiable. Okay, next serial number 11, y equal to u of x divided by v of x. This is called the quotient rule. Okay, this is called the quotient rule. Here d by dx of u of x divided by v of x. Okay, v of x which is equal to here in the numerator v of x. Okay, v of x into u dash of x. Okay, minus u of x into v dash of x. In the denominator v of x the whole square. Okay, v of x the whole square. In the differentiable dy which is equal to v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square into dx. Okay, into dx. Okay, next serial number 12, y equal to, in the trigonometry functions, sin x means, okay, sin x means d by dx of sin x. Okay, of sin x. Differentiate to sin x means then the resultant is cos x. Okay, then the resultant is cos x. Here in the differentiable dy equal to cos x into dx. Okay, cos x into dx. Next serial number 13, y equal to cos x means, okay, cos x means d by dx of cos x which is equal to minus sin x. Okay, minus sin x, that is dy which is equal to minus sin x into dx. Okay, minus sin x into dx. Serial number 14, y equal to tan x. Okay, y equal to tan x. Here d by dx of tan x which is equal to differentiation of the function tan x is secant square x. Okay, secant square x, that is dy which is equal to secant square x into dx. Okay, into dx. Serial number 15, the function y equal to here y equal to secant x. Okay, the function y equal to secant x. Then the derivatives d by dx of secant x. Okay, secant x which is equal to secant x into tan x. Okay, secant x into tan x. Okay, then the differentiable dy equal to secant x into tan x into dx. Okay, next the function serial number 16, the function is y equal to cot x. Okay, y equal to cot x. d by dx of the function is cot x, then the resultant is minus cosecant square x. Okay, minus cosecant square x. Then the differentiable is dy equal to minus cosecant square x into dx. Okay, next serial number 17, y equal to cosecant x. Okay, y equal to cosecant x. Then the derivatives is d by dx of cosecant x which is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay, into cot x. Then the differentiable is dy equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay, into cot x into dx. Okay, next inverse trigonometry functions. Next inverse trigonometry function, serial number 17 or 18, okay, anyone. Y equal to sin inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x, d by dx of sin inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x. Here sin inverse x can be written in another format, that is arc of sin x. Okay, arc of sin x and sin inverse x both are equal. Okay, which is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 divided by 1 minus x, square root of 1 minus x square. Differentiable dy equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, next serial number 18, y equal to cos inverse x means d by dx of cos inverse x, which is equal to minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, here dy which is equal to minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, sin inverse x means 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse means minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, next y equal to the function tan inverse x. Okay, tan inverse x, the derivatives d by dx of tan inverse x. Okay, tan inverse x which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Then the differentiable dy which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, next the function y equal to cot inverse x. Okay, cot inverse x which is equal to d divided by dx cot inverse x, which is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, tan inverse means plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square, cot inverse means minus 1 by 1 plus x square. dy which is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Next the function y equal to secant inverse x. Okay, secant inverse x. Then the derivatives d by dx of secant inverse x which is equal to 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1. Okay, square root of x square minus 1. Okay, in the differentiable dy which is equal to 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Suppose the function y equal to cosecant inverse x means cosecant inverse x d by dx of cosecant inverse x which is equal to, here plus means here minus 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1 dy which is equal to minus 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1 into dx. Okay, into dx. Dear students, in the different types of some elementary basic functions, these are the derivatives, these are the differentiables. One or two times write and practice. These are the formulas to obtain the solution of the any problems. Okay, don't forget the formulas. One or two times write a rough note or classwork note, practice well. Okay, it's very useful for obtain the solution of any problem. Exercise 10.2, find the derivatives. Okay, find the derivatives of the following functions with respect to corresponding independent variables. Dear students, find the derivative means here d divided by dx, this is the f of x. Okay, this is f of x. Okay, which is equal to derivative means derivative means f dash of x. Okay, f dash of x. Suppose differential means dy equal to f dash of x into dx. Okay, difference between derivatives and differential. Okay, here they are asking find the derivatives. Okay, find the derivatives of the following functions with respect to corresponding independent variable. Okay, the first problem, f of x equal to x minus 3 into sin x. Listen, in the function have two terms. Okay, two terms, x minus 3 into sin x. In the first term having x. Okay, therefore this is one function. Okay, this is one function, that is u of x. In the second term also having the variable x, so this is v of x. Okay, listen, f of x means function of x. X is the only variable, otherwise constant. In the question having two terms, in the first term having x, second term having x means this is u of x, this is v of x. Okay, solution u of x, let u of x which is equal to x. This is in the structure x power n. Okay, d by dx of x power n. Okay, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, x power 1. Okay, here n equal to 1. Okay, n equal to 1. Using this formula, that is n into, that is u dash of x. Okay, u dash of x. N into x power n minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0, that is 1 into x power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. Okay, 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. Next, let v of x which is equal to 3 into sin x. Okay, 3 into sin x. Here 3 is the constant. Okay, 3 is the constant. Sin x is the f of x. Okay, sin x is the f of x. Here sin x is the v of x. Okay, this is the v of x. Here constant 3 into, we know the formula, d by dx of sin x. Okay, of sin x. The derivatives of sin x which is equal to cos x. Okay, which is equal to cos x. So this is the constant 3 into cos x. Okay, then the resultant is v dash of x which is equal to 3 into cos x. Here this is the f of x, given f of x equal to u of x minus v of x. Okay, differentiation with respect to x means, okay, x means f dash of x. Okay, f dash of x which is equal to u dash of x minus means minus v dash of x. Okay, v dash of x. Here to find the value of u dash of x is 1. Okay, u dash of x is 1 minus v dash of x is 3 into cos x. Okay, 3 into cos x. Therefore f dash of x, this is the derivatives of the given function x minus 3 into sin x. Okay, x minus 3 into sin x. Next question number 3, f of x equal to x into sin x. Okay, here this is one function. Okay, because f of x means function of variable x. X is the only variable. X means this is one function. Okay, that is u of x. This is another one function, that is v of x. Okay, v of x. Okay, here we know that the formula d by dx of u into v. Okay, that is u of x into v of x, which is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Okay, using this formula we get the required result, that is let u of x which is equal to x, u dash of x which is equal to x power 1. Okay, using this formula d by dx of x power n which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Okay, so n into x power n minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, x power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is which is equal to 1. Okay, next let v of x which is equal to sin x. Okay, which is equal to sin x. Here v dash of x which is equal to, using this formula, d by dx of sin x. Okay, dx of sin x. Then the derivatives of sin x is cos x. Okay, sin x is cos x. Then the result is cos x. Okay, here we know that the formula d by dx of u of x into v of x. Okay, which is equal to, first hide the function u of x. Okay, u of x into differentiate to the function v dash of x. Okay, plus here now hide the function v of x into differentiate to the function u of x, that is u dash of x. Okay, this is the f dash of x. Okay, this is f dash of x which is equal to, substitute this value, that is u of x. This is the u of x. Okay, this is u of x is x power 1. Okay, x power 1 into v dash of x. V dash of x is cos x. Okay, it is cos x plus v of x. V of x is sin x. Sin x into u dash of x. U dash of x is 1. Okay, into 1. Therefore, then the required result is x into sin x. X into cos x plus 1 into sin x is sin x. Okay. Now question number 5, g of t. It means the function of variable t. Okay, t is the only variable, otherwise constant. Here t cube. Okay, t cube into cos t. Okay, this is u of t. Okay, this is v of t. Okay, v of t. Okay, let u of t which is equal to t power 3. Okay, v of t which is equal to cos t. Okay, cos t. U of t, v of t are in the relation is multiplication. Okay, that is product rule, using product rule. Here u dash of t, it means first derivative with respect to t which is equal to, using this function, using this formula, that is d by dx of x power n which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Similarly, n equal to 3. So u dash of t which is equal to 3 into t power 3 minus 1 which is equal to 3 into t power 3 minus 1 is 2. This is the u dash of t. Okay, u dash of t. Here v of t equal to cos t. We know that the formula d by dx of cos x. Okay, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, x means sin x. Suppose t means v dash of t which is equal to minus sin t. Okay, minus sin t. Here g of t which is equal to u of t into v of t. This is the given function. G dash of t which is equal to, using product rule, now hide the function u of t. Okay, differentiate to the function v dash of t plus, now hide the function v of t to differentiate to the function u of t, that is u dash of t. Substitute the value, u of t is t power 3. Okay, v dash of t is minus sin t plus v of t is cos t into u dash of t is 3 into t square. Okay, 3 into t square, that is minus into plus is minus t power 3 into sin t. Okay, here plus 3 into t square into cos t. Okay, this is the required result. Okay, this is the required result. Question number 7, y equal to e power x into sin x. Okay, e power x into sin x. Y equal to means y equal to f of x. Both are equal. Okay, both are same. Okay, which is equal to e power x into sin x. Okay, e power x into sin x. here e power x. Therefore this is one function, that is u of x. Okay, u of x which is equal to e power x. Okay, sin x means this is one function, that is v of x. Okay, that is v of x. Okay, this v of x equal to sin x. Okay, sin x. Dear students, kindly note it here, y equal to f of x. It means function of x. X is the only variable. Suppose they are given e power t into sin x means, okay, e power t into sin x means function of variable is x. X is the only variable, otherwise constant. So x is the only function. This is the function. Okay, this is the function f of x. Here e power t, this is the constant. Okay, this is consider, this is constant. Okay, constant. Suppose they are given e power x into sin x means e power x, function of variable x means e power x means this is one function, this is one function. This is in the structure k into f of x. Okay, k into f of x. Then the derivative d by dx of k into f of x, which is equal to k into f dash of x. Okay, but now u of x into v of x. Okay, u of x into v of x. Okay, understood the difference. Now u dash of x, which is equal to, we know that the formula d by dx of e power x, which is equal to e power x. Okay, here d by dx of sin x, the derivative of the function sin x is cos x. Okay, sin x is cos x. Therefore this is the, therefore u dash of x, which is equal to e power x, v dash of x, which is equal to cos x. Okay, which is equal to cos x. Here this is the given function f of x, which is equal to u of x into v of x. Here derivative means f dash of x, which is equal to, hide the function u of x, now differentiate to the function v dash of x, plus now hide the function v of x to differentiate to the function u dash of x. Substitute the value u of x. U of x is e power x. Okay, v dash of x is, v dash of x is cos x. Okay, cos x plus v of x is, v of x is sin x. Okay, u dash of x is, u dash of x is e power x. Okay, e power x. Now in the two term have e power x, so take outside e power x, e power x. In the remaining of first term cos x plus sin x. Okay, cos x plus sin x. This is the derivative of the given function. Okay, question number 8, y equal to tan x divided by x. Given problem which is equal to y equal to f of x, which is equal to in the numerator have x and denominator also have x. Therefore in the structure u of x divided by v of x. Okay, u of x divided by v of x, which is equal to given tan x divided by x. Okay, tan x divided by x. Now let u of x equal to tan x. Okay, u of x equal to tan x. V of x equal to x. Okay, in the formula d by dx of tan x, which is equal to secant square x. Okay, which is equal to secant square x. Here in the structure x power n. Okay, x power n, that is d by dx of x power n, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Okay, now u dash of x, which is equal to derivatives of the function tan x is secant square x. Okay, secant square x. Here derivative of the function v dash of x, which is equal to n into, that is 1 into x power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, x power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, in the structure f of x equal to u of x divided by v of x. This is called the quotient rule. Okay, this is called the quotient rule. In the derivative, that is f dash of x, which is equal to, in the formula v of x into u dash of x minus u of x into v dash of x divided by v of x the whole square. Okay, v of x the whole square. Okay, v of x the whole square. This is the formula. Quotient rule. Okay, substitute the value of v of x, u of x, u dash of x, v dash of x. That is f dash of x, which is equal to v of x. The v of x is x, u dash of x. U dash of x is secant squared x. Okay, secant squared x minus u of x. U of x is tan x. Okay, tan x. V dash of x. V dash of x is 1 divided by v of x the whole square. V of x is x. V of x is x the whole square. That is x into secant square x minus tan x into 1 is tan x divided by x square. Okay, divided by x square. This is the required result. Okay, this is the required result.